Alright, so my air fryer fan is making noise when I'm trying to air fry my meat or anything in the air fryer. You hear some uncomfortable sound in the air fryer, and that makes me wonder what could actually go wrong. So in this video I'm going to show you how to uncouple your air fryer and fix that issue. If you're having the same issue with your air fryer, then watch and learn how to uncouple this air fryer and fix some things. Not everything you take to the technician, so let's learn. Now just have to put your hand under this cover and use force to open the cover. When you do that, you see it's going to open. And now here I realize that the fan is wobbling. It therefore tells me one thing, that there is a knot that is holding the fan together. So we just have to untie all the knots. Wherever you're seeing all knots, we're going to remove them. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have to take all 4 knots out. And mind you, anytime you're trying to uncouple a device that you don't know much about, make sure you place the knot where you took out the component from. That way you'll be able to know which knot is for which component part. Okay, as you're going to see in the video, I'm going to show how I'm going to place the nuts and the component parts closely together so that I will be able to identify them. So this is another component part. We're going to take this out. If you're using the same silver crest air fryer that I'm using, this is the same process you're going to go through to uncouple the device. All right, so just watch. We finish uncoupling, and now we're going to take this clip out. This connects the display board and the to the how do they call it, the motherboard. This is where it's taking instruction from, so that you see them on display and then you can operate the air fryer. So this is it unclipped and it's alone now. So now we've seen the entire component inside. We have to untie the nuts here as well. So under here there are nuts. We're going to untie them too, take them out, and then we're going to go to the extent of finding out where the noise is coming from. Remember to make sure you keep the nuts wherever you're taking them off from, so that you will not leave anything unknotted. Okay, so this is the back of the air fryer. You may not really need to take this one off, but I did took it off because I did not know how the components are. But I'm just trying to do a DIY to show you how to get your air fryer getting or performing optimally, because mine was making noise. It means the fan had issue, and I didn't like the sound it was making while I'm air frying. If someone comes in and hear your air fryer making those kind of sounds, believe me, it's very embarrassing. So these are all the nuts accompanied by each component part that we're taking from, so that I'll be able to put them back when I am done repairing what I need to repair. All right, so that's how the whole thing is going. So if you like this video so far and you've watched up to this point, you may as well give us a like, share this video so that others who have similar issues can also see how they can repair their air fryer if it has any issue. If you know you can't do that, you can always send it to a technician. A technician will help you to do that. But if you have the time like I do, you can also do it yourself. So I'm taking all the nuts away from here so that I will uncouple these, and that's where the fan is going to be removed from. This is what I'm telling you. So here is the moment of truth. We found that these 2 nuts were out, and they are supposed to be positioned in this point there, and so there are like 4 of them, which means 2 are missing or somehow. But with these 2, we can be able to just tie the fan closely together, and that sound is not going to be there any longer. So that's what we're going to do, and after that we'll begin to couple everything back, and the whole device is going to be working again perfectly. So just watch me as I put the whole thing together. And like I said, this is a DIY. If you love it, share, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you would love us to shoot some other time. Okay, so tell us where you're watching this video from. If this video is helpful, tell us what would have done better on the video, or tell us what you would want us to do some other time. Okay, now the the whole thing is coupled. The fan is turning perfectly now. You see, it's rotating perfectly. It means there is no glitch, no touching, no sound. Everything is working perfectly now. So we'll just put everything back the way we remove them. And now this is the moment of truth. We're going to test before we do the final coupling. Our air fryer is on. And that is it. Everything worked out. So you can do this at the leisure of your own.